Hello everyone, I'm Panroje from CSP. Welcome to our another video about BT900 battery tester. First, connect the battery and CSP BT900 battery tester. Connect the negative connection and then positive with the positive terminal of the battery. After the battery is connected, display will automatically turn on. When display is turned on, here is the features of the battery tester like batteries checking mode, language, printing options and customization settings. CSP BT900 battery tester and system analyzer has three modes: battery test, system test and in-vehicle test. First, we start with the battery test mode. Press enter for next step. Then choose the battery starting system, regular standard or start-stop system. I'll choose regular standard system. Then press enter and choose the battery type. My battery type is AGM flat plate. Press enter and then choose the battery ratings. Among the different battery ratings, in Taiwan, CCA rating is being used. So I'll choose CCA. Then choose the battery capacity according as the capacity mentioned in the battery. And battery capacity is 800 amperes. So set the amperes in the next is weather. The weather should be between 30 to 50 Fahrenheit. Then press enter. The battery testing is in the progress. Here is the battery test result. That is showing battery is good and pass. And next is SOC, stage of charge. That means the battery is 95% charged. Battery test is completed. Next is print result. BT900 comes with inbuilt printing system. Choose yes or no. I'll press yes to show how it works. Now you see printing is in progress. After the print is out, we have the complete result of the batteries in the hand. Second, we go through system test. In system test, follow the instruction as shown in the CSP BT900 battery analyzer. Turn off all loads like lights that require a battery power. Press enter and start engine. When the engine is being starting, see the cranking starting power. It is normal. Press enter. Next is charging test. Make sure all loads are turned off. Press enter. It's showing alternator idle voltage is normal. Again follow the instruction. Turn on load. Press enter. The ripple is detected and it is normal. Press enter and next is alternator load voltage. It is also normal. The test is over. Turn off all load and engine. Press enter to see the result of the battery system. Cranking voltage, alternator voltage, all is normal. Press enter. The next is print result. Yes or no. Choose one as you need. But I press yes and printing is in progress. After the print is out, I have the complete result of the battery at my hand. In vehicle test, it is a combination test of both battery test and system test. In vehicle test, follow the same instructions step by step of the battery test and system test as we did earlier. After the both tests is completed as it is instructed by the battery tester, it has the complete result of both battery and system test. Press enter. CSP BT900 inbuilt printing system is smooth and quick to print the result. Just in a moment, all the information about the battery will be in your hand. The BT900 is must for anyone who is working with batteries regularly. Easy and quick and reliable with accurate result. You can get the result anytime, anywhere. The BT900.